going to be the last day I put in this vlog, and then I'll start another one. I don't know how long this vlog will be. But anyways, I'll just a little update you what we're going to do today. It's a Sunday, and we're actually getting curtains, which is a little exciting. But I'll show you what we're up to, and then what the plan is. So the last few days, what has happened is this panel is up. We need to try and get these in. So I'm not completely satisfied with these because I wish it was flush. So it covers this, like that's ugly, obviously an ugly seam. We wanted a bit of ply. Maybe we should have just, I don't know, whatever. We've decided to buy these and cut them so they fit in there. And then they'll be like up here because we're going to make these straight, not curved. So we'll have a windowsill. I just wish it was flush with that. But whatever. Hopefully the putty's quite dry, but we probably won't do painting today. But Bob's we bought some, it's pretty thick insulation. I think it's 20 mils. We're going to insulate in the roof, in the ceiling, and then hopefully put up our ceiling panels. So that will be exciting. And we're not 100% sure what's happening here. It's going to be quite tricky to work out. So, but that might be, if we have time, we'll try and do that today. Putting the installation in. We just used a nail glue, I believe it was, nail glue, and put it on, and the glue dried really quick, so we just held it for a few seconds while it was up there, and then it was a tight space, so it just stayed up there. We didn't have to, I don't know, I thought we might have to put something up there to hold it for ages, but it was fine. So held it up for a bit, and then continued on with the rest of the roof. Quite a successful day, I think. I'll show you what we've been doing, but I'm really excited about the ceiling, and we're kind of working on that at the moment. I don't know if we'll get it finished today, but up today, but I'm really happy with the progress of it. I'll show you what we're doing. So we have got 3 planks up, which I love. So I've just cut them. I've just got this one and I've cut a little bit shorter. You'll notice that the second screw's out. That was my mistake. So I'm trying to line the screws up now. So I cut the piece for length, and then I put the piece up on the ceiling, and then mark so the screws are in line. Mark it, go pre-screw it, screw the hole in, come back, put it on the ceiling, and then screw the plank to the ceiling sort of thing. I'm really, really happy with them. I think they look awesome, and we're not sure if we're gonna oil, lacquer, stain, something, but that will happen, but we're not 100% certain yet. I'll do a little time lapse. You can see the ceiling come together, which I'm excited. Yeah, it's all it's coming. finish that ceiling next week. Here, it's Sunday afternoon. Next weekend we're only going to work on it one day because the other day, sorry vegans, but we're cutting up a big ass cow. It's going to be really delicious meat. Make sausages and I'm keen. Anyway, so we are going to wrap this one up here. We'll start again next week, and then the plan next week is we want to finish the ceiling, and maybe we'd love to finish in the walls, but we'll see. That's a lot in one day. The one thing I want to say again, and I've said it before in past videos, I feel like when I watch videos on YouTube, they time-lapse everything, and you're like, oh, they've just got the stuff. They don't have to go shopping. They don't have to think, oh, they've forgotten this, they've forgotten that. We forget stuff every time, and the van just is such a longer process and such a big learning curve. Neither of us are experienced in this field, and it takes so long. And I just want to, it takes long. Like, yeah, it's time consuming, especially if you're not experienced in it, and just like having to like logic everything out when you're not used to that stuff. It just takes time. So I just don't want, if you're doing this yourself or you're looking at doing it, don't like feel completely disheartened when it takes forever and you're like, fuck, they make it look so easy on YouTube. It's fucking hard. And like, you know it's hard, you're not stupid, but then you start doing it and you just don't realize how hard it is. But yeah, anyways, we're getting there. Are you excited?
I am, yeah. I'm really excited actually.
What do you like most about the van so far?
So far, I really like that the roof is going on. It's really good.
The style of the ceiling.
Yeah, and the floor. I like the floor.
Yeah, they're kind of our favourites. And I also like the blackboard wall, even though it's got putty in at the moment, with the curved. And I have like...
new putty?
Pardon?
Just tell them we have new putty.
No, but we did get new putty because the old putty took 4 to 6 weeks to dry, it said.
This one only 2 and 3 hours. 2 to
3 hours. So again, we just don't know that shit. So we've got new putty, so I'm gonna try and putty throughout the week. We'll see. But yeah, I don't know if this is a new video, halfway through the video, but it's Friday and I have the day off work, so I am going to plan is to sand all of the putty, sand all the putty, and then do a final coat, hopefully a final coat on the blackboard wall, and then a first coat on the ply. So that is the plan. Now I just want to say, just picked went and borrowed Mum's sander. This shit is amazing. I was thinking, oh god, is this gonna take forever? Like, I really just went to town with the putty, didn't really like do it super carefully. Oh my god, that was just like instant. Like, love it. So gonna go through sand. I wanted to get this wall done before Bob got back, but I don't think that it's kind of like a 2-man job, and I'm here by myself, so I don't think I can. But keen to sand and at least get a coat of paint on everything before Bob gets here. He doesn't know I'm doing it, so I'm hoping he'll be like, oh, that's good. And I did putty throughout the week. I finished puttying because it wasn't all done. I'm getting a bit antsy with this whole, like, it's taking forever to just get the van done. I think just working full time and then trying to get this on the side, like, it's taking so much time, and Bob's visa's gonna run out, so I'm getting worried that we're like gonna do all this and then see like 3 months worth of the country, and it's a lot of work. But I'm trying to just like think that it's just fun for us to do this anyway and just enjoy the process. And you know, we don't need to sell the van when we leave. Like, this is my home, so I can just leave the van here and come back to it. And hopefully Bob will come back one day and stuff. So I'm trying to enjoy that side of it, because if not, I'd be like going nuts. Anyways, I'm so freaking keen to get this sanded and painted. Yeah, and especially before Bob comes. And now I think I'm going to start on the walls first and then do the back wall. I've realised we don't have a big one of these, so I'm pretty sure this oven tray is my brother's, but thanks, Phil. Hopefully you're not going to throw that out. Yeah, but that's what we're going to do. We're going to try and get this first coat on. I am so freaking keen to get this paint on. I just think it's going to, like, I don't know, you see such a difference. Also, when you look at me and think, oh my gosh, she's such a dick, Bob got me this as a joke to paint in, and like he was going to be here, so it was going to be funny, but he's not here. However, I really wear this shirt all the time. I don't want paint on it, so probably actually going to wear this, but because I'm by myself, it's not funny, it's just lame, but whatever, I'm going to wear it. So the bet is going to be how long until this splits, because let's just say I got like a size too small, so it is pretty firm. I'm not going to get dirty, and I always get paint in my hair, so look at this beautiful little thing. Bound to still get paint on this. Maybe, I'm not kidding, less than a minute in, I got paint on this, which then of course soaked through to this. So I get to wear this. I'm wearing this really attractive outfit, and the one thing I didn't want to get paint on, I still did. So we still need to put like the edging in, and I actually don't know if I like the edging that we had planned for. So I'm going to maybe just use this stuff. It's just black, and then maybe just put that like in there. I don't know, we'll see. So 2 coats on the white done and the blackboard wall done, and Bob's going to be here soon, so I've just conned Mum into helping me put these up, because I need someone to help me push them in and try and get a few up, and then maybe we can finish the rest tonight when he comes, but it's getting there. Dedicated we are to the cause, because we're pretty slack all the time. No, we know we're not doing anything on the van tomorrow. So what did we do on Friday night? Just went to Bunnings, and now we are going to attempt to put the ceiling up, but for some reason the screws that we used last week, which worked perfectly fine, aren't working this week, so we had to go buy longer ones. So our plan now is to attempt to put up the sliding screen, the rest of it. Done. Bob, were you surprised with the...
I was. Pretty good.
Yeah?
She did a good job.
Do you like it?
I do.
And Mum is gonna said that she'll try and finish the curtains this weekend, and then we can put our curtains up. And we are finished for the night. So we got all the ceiling on except for just that tiny bit, but we need a different tool that we don't have here, so we have to go down to work maybe on Sunday and cut that bit. But other than that, It's looking good. You can still see that putty line in the light, but that's just because of that bright light. You can't see it normally. Done? We're both exhausted. All right.